Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to make a Mongolian dish. So this is some Mongolian beef flank. Alright. So this is all the ingredients that I'm going to use that recipe. I have these 2 pounds of beef flank. I didn't soak that much, okay, I don't have time to soak it. Alright, so I have red wine. I have a wine, soy sauce, dark sauce, paprika, pepper flakes, and also red peppers, ginger, garlic, and I have rice flour also. Okay, let's get started. Okay, at first we need to transfer this a little bit wider. And let's put on 1 tablespoon of paprika. And we're gonna need like a cup of oil to brown this or fry it. Okay, let's go ahead and brown the meat. I said chicken. Put your fire on the high. Okay, let's go ahead and remove from the oil. You're gonna need to wear an apron with this because especially when you're wearing white. I'm wearing white as I'm wearing my apron. Alright, at the same pan, I remove some oil and drop the ginger. We'll make a sauce for that. Let's add the garlic. Just let them golden brown. So let's add your heat put in the medium now. Let's add the soy sauce. I forgot to mention that we have broth, or you can also use water. Just mix them well. Now let's add the meat. It's sticky. I don't want to pour it because there's a lot of oil. But actually this is olive oil. You can use vegetables oil or olive oil. And then we'll wait this one until it get a little bit dry. We'll simmer it like 4 to 5 minutes, or until the gut becomes sticky. It's got sticky now. We can spread the pepper bell and also the onions, and you can turn off your fire now. And then we'll mix it. Alright, this is ready to go. Ready to serve. Alright everyone, here is my Mongolia dish. They call Mongolian beef. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you guys like it, and we'll see you next time. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. You can also share my videos to your friends and your family. Okie dokie, see ya.